Northern Philippines Medical Center, Children's Cancer Institute, and House of Hope Foundation for Kids with Cancer Incorporated awards this certificate of completion to Ria Tofer C. Melomida for completing the prescribed course of chemotherapy with the highest degree of courage and determination. We appreciate the confidence you have placed in us and the opportunity to serve you. We are so proud of you. From your CCA and House of Hope family. Date of completion, April 28, 2025. Akbar!